A lot of people have fears about RV travel, valid concerns about problems they might face. But those fears don't have to keep you from your RV dreams.
We're Mike and Jennifer Wendland with RV Lifestyle, and we're going to address the top 10 fears of RV travel. But more importantly, we will include a link in the video description to a list of resources that will help you overcome those fears.
Fear number 1, severe weather, extreme cold, tornadoes, floods, high winds. These aren't things you want to get stuck in with an RV. You can't control the weather, but you can be prepared. You can learn what to do in different situations and have the proper safety gear on hand.
Fear number 2 is driving or towing an RV. A lot of people fear blowouts from the tires, towing trailers, or driving a big RV, and essentially they fear getting in an accident or getting stranded on the side of the road, or just feeling overwhelmed while driving. The secret? Practice. Practice will boost your confidence.
Fear number 3, too much repair and maintenance. No matter how new or nice your RV is, things will break. This is scary if you're not handy with tools or don't have extra money to hire professionals. You can take a home study class course to learn basic RV repairs and maintenance. Plus, you can invest in RV roadside assistance.
Fear number 4 is regretting their choice of an RV. Buying an RV is a huge investment. It's often second only to purchasing a home, and in truth, most RVers get it wrong the first time. So that's why it's a good idea to always rent a number of different RVs before you buy. Check out other resources in that link below.
Fear number 5, paying for the RV lifestyle. Despite what the media likes to portray, the RV lifestyle isn't cheap. Are you scared that the cost will crush your RV dreams? Thankfully, there are ways to offset and supplement your travels, such as work camping, remote work, and other creative ways to make money as you travel.
Number 6 is bugs, critters, and slithery little things. Mosquitoes, rodents, flies, spiders, snakes. You might dread dealing with these while you're RVing, but you can help them keep their distance. All you need is to know the right products, the right tricks. You can make just fine.
Fear number 7, not fitting into the RV community. Some people fear they won't like busy campgrounds. Others fear they won't like seclusion. But there are different types of RV lifestyles, from boondocking in remote areas to luxury resorts and everything in between.
Fear number 8. A lot of people worry that their relationships will suffer. New RVers often worry about leaving friends and family behind, as well as getting along with their spouse and travel companions while living in such tight quarters. The idea is you got to go into this with the right mindset. You can make this work.
Fear number 9, it'll be uncomfortable. RV beds are notoriously uncomfortable. Campgrounds can be noisy, and driving long distances can be exhausting. Discomfort is a real concern. Thankfully, we have several resources in the link below, including for tall people.
All right, fear number 10, their health. Sometimes the only thing keeping people from RVing is their health or not knowing how to manage it while you're on the road. And it's a valid concern, and it does require careful thought and planning, but we want to let you know that it can be managed.
That's the top 10 fears, but don't let them stop you. Be sure to click on the link in the video description below for a list of resources to help you overcome them.
We're Mike and Jennifer with RV Lifestyle. Please be sure and subscribe to our channel for more helpful RV tips.
Happy trails!